Well, I'm very excited to be here today with Jean-Marc to basically talk about two subjects. One is to give you an update on the partnership between Alcatel-Lucent and Cassidian. And second, definitely to take that opportunity to launch a brand new innovative solutions which bring broadband wireless capabilities to the industries and the public sector.
Thank you for the invitation, Philippe. Indeed, I'm also very excited to be here. I remember when we met a few months ago, we thought that the alliance of the leader in public safety communication and critical mission communication with Cassidian, together with the leader in LTE solution with Alcatel-Lucent, would bring value added to our customers, and it looks like we were right.
So, related to the solution now itself, what we bring is true broadband wireless capabilities in LTE in the spectrum of 400 MHz. What does it bring? It brings definitely broadband with all the type of applications we may imagine related to images, video, and whatsoever, obviously as a great add-on and use to the first responders, but it allows as well a new generation of applications which greatly improve safety as well as awareness of the different situations, and this can be a broad use across as well transportation as well as energy sector.
You are right. In fact, our joint solution offers four main advantages to the community of first responders and mission-critical communication users. First of all, we will bring high data rate capabilities into our networks, which is key for the next application that the police and fire users are going to be using in the future. Second, this bandwidth at 400 MHz allows two things, two main advantages. First one, we will be able to reuse existing sites and topography of our networks, which is very important for the total cost of ownership of those networks, and this means a lot to our customers. Third, this bandwidth at 400 MHz represent a very good asset to optimize coverage, indoor coverage, and also urban canyon coverage, where most of our users are acting in cities, and that's critical for them. But last but not least, and that's very important for us as Cassidian, is to provide a smooth migration path from what those people are using today in narrowband solution to the broadband solution. It has to be a smooth migration from narrowband to broadband, and this LTE 400 solution is exactly what is needed to deliver this capability.
So why developing a solution at 400 MHz? Some parts of the world are using 700, great, available spectrum. Many parts of the world, whether it is Asia, Europe, CIS, and Gulf countries, this spectrum is not available. Then, doing a solution in 400 allows to carve out and to deploy in the existing spectrum to enhance the capabilities and to bring broadband capabilities, and reusing many assets of the existing private mobile radio solutions, whether it is existing sites, existing transmission, and then the great benefit means same frequency, usually same coverage, which means limited investment to bring additional capabilities. Last but not least, in many parts of the world, 450 MHz is already a spectrum which is in use for commercial systems, and those systems are in the course of being evolved from CDMA to LTE, and this is also a significant guarantee of an existing ecosystem for devices in 400 and 450 MHz.
The good thing is that our partnership doesn't limit itself to the 400 MHz solution. It's also a partnership in the 700 MHz, where we developed as Cassidian for Alcatel-Lucent device solutions such as vehicular routers, micro PCI cards, and also mission-critical applications such as push-to-talk over LTE that are so important for our users. All those applications and devices are going to be available in the 400 MHz spectrum. Our goal, key goal for our customers, is to develop a completely 3GPP standard solution that can be reused everywhere, and that will represent an ecosystem on which our customers are going to be able to act as they do today in a competitive environment.
So where are we today in the development of our joint solution? We basically started to work, the actual work, about 1 year ago. And I would say thanks to the benefit of bringing two leaders in their field, Cassidian and Alcatel-Lucent, we have been able to move extremely fast from the idea to the product. We made our first demos in the different forums. We are in our way of presenting the solution to the different customers across the globe. And I have to say, the feedback is extremely promising at that stage. And now we are moving into a phase where the real work is going to start, which is basically bringing trial capabilities in order to improve the experience to the different customers across the globe. As a conclusion, I would say that I'm extremely excited and pleased about the progress so far. But more than the progress, we see really the benefit of bringing together the capabilities of two leaders of their respective industry, Alcatel-Lucent and Cassidian. As a matter of fact, I believe that we are on our way to bring a brand new capability and experience to the different users across the globe using private mobile radios. At the end, this is putting in their hands video capabilities, a new experience, which is something which is existing in the hands of the commercial users today. Progress so far is great. We are on our way to be ahead of the market in bringing those capabilities.
Philippe, I completely share your enthusiasm, and our employees also share this enthusiasm. I think we have built something very, very strong here. Our customers are going to be very pleased to see two leaders that are not there for a few years, but for multiple tens of years, delivering this very high-grade solution to their needs. And if there is one challenge our two companies can take together, is definitely to be ahead of the market and to show the way. So I'm very confident that with this great success we have up to now, we are going to see operational networks being delivered in the next coming years that will bring full satisfaction to our first responders. They are saving lives. We are here to help them and to deliver the promise.
Thank you, Jean-Marc.
Thank you, Philippe.